Welsh Hearts and FAW partnership was formed last May in Wrexham. The aim of the partnership is to get a defibrillator in every football club in Wales, and every club trained in how to use it, and CPR obviously, which is very important. With FAW's help, donated 10 defibrillators to clubs throughout Wales. We teach CPR on a daily basis. I think in just under 6 years that we've actually put 1,600 defibrillators across Wales, which is quite remarkable. Considering we're only a very small charity. We taught CPR to 54,000 people with the help of all our volunteers. We really couldn't do this on our own.
I grew up in the local area, and obviously when I was very young I went straight into Swansea City, so I didn't actually play for Seven Sisters, but I know a lot of the lads who play for the first team here now, and obviously the young lads who I know their parents or their cousins or whatever, so to come back here and to help out when's needed is obviously always brilliant. There's a lot of little clubs in and around the valleys in Wales, and especially in these areas they don't have much money, so something like this that could save someone's life in the long run is just something that you can obviously give back. It's brilliant for the club because they can spend money that is needed elsewhere, in the running of the juniors or whatnot. So yeah, it's brilliant to give back.
I think it's been a great success. He's such a down-to-earth person anyway, and especially for the youngsters, they've all had the photographs taken with him, and it's been a worthwhile exercise. And we are proud of him because he's such a local lad as well. We've got Ben Davis as well, which is from the village. So for us to have two people in their positions and to play for Wales, etc., it's been a very a good evening for us as well. And he's been a good lad.
The more people out there that can help us, the better. Just to get how important CPR and defibrillators are. So there's lots more clubs to do, but very excited how the partnership is going at the moment.
Obviously I spoke with the FAW, with Amanda in particularly, and she said that she could help, so here we are, and hopefully it can happen a lot more around Wales.